Here's why titanium is the worst exhaust material ever. Everyone thinks it's the ultimate flex, but there's a massive reason why you should stick to stainless steel. In a normal performance build, most people use stainless steel because of its effectiveness. But in the car scene, every enthusiast wants that blue and purple look, because when you pair it up with massive flames, it honestly looks cool. They pay thousands for those expensive pie cuts, thinking they have the highest quality exhaust on the market. At first it looks like peak engineering, but it's actually a ticking time bomb. Titanium was never designed for this. Every time it heats up, it doesn't just expand, it gets more and more brittle. While steel stays flexible, titanium literally starts turning into glass, and those insane looking pie cuts are actually the biggest point of failure.